Hello everyone again, and this is my ECSS project for CEIS 400 for my university course. This one is done in C Sharp and SQL Server 2022. Um, Here we go. I want to register as a new user. We don't want to log in yet. We want to register as a new user. The new user is going to be Sam4, and just want to make sure we have Sam4 is next. Sam4. So the email is going to be sam4@dns.com. The address is going to be 444. Great Street, Great City, Great City State. Let's go with Texas again, and zip code is going to be 44444. Four. How many fours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there you go. Username is going to be Sam. Last name. The password is going to be 4, no caps. FOEUR. And Social Security is going to be 444-44-4445. And phone number is going to be 444. And before we submit this form, I want to emphasize the validation here. We want to check if there's somebody by last name 4, number 1. Let's do the search. We have Alex 4, we don't have Sam 4, okay, which is good. Clear the search. Let's say if we missed the first name, we're trying to submit. We have validation here. First name is missing, it cannot be empty. We can either exit here or click OK. Same thing with any field, like a password here. We're going to skip. The password field can be empty. But what if the passwords don't match, right? Let's say we're just going to type something different here and try to submit. It will definitely not let it through. Password don't match. Okay. And we're going to now submit. And let's check. Check. And there you go. We have second line here with the last name 4. Okay, so now we can go back and we can log in as Sam4, and we can see if this is going to work. But what if we log in with without a password? It says enter password. If we enter the wrong password, or this one, it's going to say invalid credentials. And if we enter nothing, it's going to say enter username. And then let's see if it's going to enter. So we have now verification that, first of all, we want to know the system has acknowledged that we are working under the employee ID 13, lucky 13. And here we can go back. Let's log in with different credential here. So we have, let's say, Sam1, right? And Sam1 has employee ID 10. So we have report page. This one here is not doing anything. It's under construction. I decided not to do anything with it. So report, and we have equipment. So if we go to equipment, we can go back to dashboard and continue. There's more if we need to. And we still are logged in under ID 10. employee ID 10. Here we have confirmation logged in with employee ID 10. Enter tool ID. Well, we have the tool hypothetically in our hands. We got a brand new hammer with a brand new tool ID, which has not been assigned to the software yet, to the database by the by management. So let's say we want to enter ID number 25. 25. We want to enter comment, new unit, or new tool, and we want to see here whether anything happened to that tool ID 25. I want to show equipment log, and if we look at the tool ID here, nothing here. There's no history, no date, no date or history of anything happening to this tool. And when we're trying to check it out, it sure enough says tool ID 25 does not exist. Why? Because it simply does not exist in database. There's no such thing. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4 tools registered, so we can only check in and out 4 tools. For now, we can have thousands of tools later on if we populate the database, but for now, let's just work with the tool number 3. So it's going to be no damage, no serious damage, if I spelled it right. No serious damage, so we can check it in. So now we're responsible under employee ID number 10, check out. And it says here tool ID 3 was checked out successfully by employee ID 10. Okay, so now it, as we could see, it updated. We can update it again if we want, but it did update the last current. See, this one's current record ID 4, tool ID 3, employee ID 10, and it said it was checked out. And I purposely made this table to be inactive because I don't want the user to alter database. That's the last thing we want, to have a user do anything with our database. Now that we have this thing checked in, we can go back to log in. We can log in as Alex 2. Log in as Alex 2, and it sure enough shows us we logged in as employee ID 2. We go to equipment and we open up the log. We see, oh, here we go. We need the tool ID 3, and it's a hammer. So we're going to put in tool ID 3. We're going to try to check it in. And what happens is tool ID 3 has been checked in successfully by employee 2. Why? How is it possible? It was checked out. It is possible in life to have different employee to check in the tool, but I think it's my mistake here that I made. It shouldn't happen. It should say it should check. Well, let's just say they're friends and they can do this. Okay, but if we want to submit comment, we'll say like good condition, and we're gonna check in. We cannot check in. It's already checked in and available, so it's not gonna do anything to database. So we can check out again under employee ID 2. Checked out successful ID 2. It says good condition, and now we can check in under the same employee with a good condition. So as you can see, it toggled between the checkout and is available field, and it changed record number 7 to current with good condition. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for this. Now we can exit. We can exit and we can exit. And it will end up with you are now leaving the ECSS system. Thanks for watching.